Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how we can fix the black screen issue or problem in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me launch the Opera browser on my Windows computer. And if you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you keep experiencing this issue with that flickering or black screen, occasionally here on the Opera browser, there are 3 different approaches how you can fix this in 2026. Let us show you each method. So method number 1 would be to restore Opera to its factory settings. So to do that, navigate to that icon in the top left, select settings here. And what you want to do in your browser settings is navigate to that tab at the very bottom of that left sidebar, reset settings, click into this button, confirm by clicking into this, and after that the Opera browser will restart with all its settings, browser settings, restored to the factory or original state. That's option number 1. If that hasn't fixed the issue, guys, you may also look for updated versions of your Opera browser, but before you do that, you may also consider uninstalling and downloading Opera back again. So you either reinstall it or update it. To reinstall it, navigate to the application directory on your device, on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, navigate to Opera, click into it, uninstall it, and after that navigate to Opera again, but through another browser, and install it, download it, install it from there again. Alternately, if you're in your browser settings, what you want to do is click into that button in the top left, select Update and Recovery, and here allow the Opera browser to look for updates that may have been released recently and you may have skipped them, for instance. So once the given update has been downloaded and installed, check if the given issue keeps occurring or not. So if none of these options have fixed the issue, guys, it may be necessary to remove the cache files for the Opera browser on your device. So what you will need to do is navigate to the app directory of the Opera browser on your device. So let me show you where I can find, where I was able to find it on my device, so that you can follow that path. So here in your folder Explorer on your device on Windows 10 and Windows 11, it will be the user under the a drive, of course, then app data, local, Opera software, Opera stable, not GX or Air, default, cache, and here right click into that name folder, and after that remove it from your directory and see if it fixed the issue for you guys. If you can't find the folder, it may be that the folder is hidden. So what you want to do is switch to view here at the top and enable hidden elements, so that you may find that folder through that path here. Of course, in your operating system's language. As you can see, I'm not using English, but the path should be the same for you on your drive. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.